Machine learning. It's everywhere, from your social media feed to self-driving cars. But what is it exactly? Simply put, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn and make decisions without being explicitly programmed for every single task. It's like teaching a computer to recognize patterns in data, and over time it gets better at solving specific tasks, just like how we learn. So, here's the core idea. You feed a machine tons of data, and it finds patterns in that data to make predictions or decisions. That's machine learning in a nutshell. The formal definition: machine learning is a subset of AI that uses statistical techniques to give computers the ability to learn from data without being explicitly programmed for every task. There are three major types of machine learning you should know about. Supervised learning. This is like having a teacher. The machine is given data with labels, meaning it knows what the correct output should be, and it learns to make predictions based on that. Then there's unsupervised learning. Here, there's no teacher. The machine is given data without labels, and it has to figure out patterns all by itself, like grouping similar items together. Finally, reinforcement learning is like a trial and error process. The machine learns by receiving rewards or penalties for the actions it takes, like training a dog with treats. So how does it work? Let's break it down. First, you feed a machine some data. Then, it creates a model. Think of this as a blueprint. And finally, it makes predictions based on that model. As the machine gets more data, it refines this model, becoming more accurate over time. This is called training the model, similar to how you'd practice a skill to get better. Machine learning powers some of the coolest tech we use every day. Think about how Netflix suggests shows based on your preferences, or how Siri understands your voice. Even more impressively, it's behind the scenes in self-driving cars, medical diagnoses, and even AI art creation. It's transforming industries. So what are some popular machine learning algorithms? You've got linear regression, great for predicting continuous outcomes like house prices. Decision trees, which help machines make decisions by asking a series of questions. And of course, neural networks, which are designed to mimic how the human brain works. But why is all of this important? Machine learning helps us automate tasks, make more accurate decisions, and even tackle problems that are too complex for humans to handle alone. From manufacturing and finance to healthcare and entertainment, machine learning is the backbone of innovation in many fields. But it's not all perfect. Machine learning can sometimes struggle with bias, data privacy, or making sense of incomplete data. These are real challenges that scientists are working hard to fix. So to sum it up, machine learning is all about teaching computers to learn from data and make decisions on their own. It's shaping the future in ways we couldn't have imagined even a few years ago. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into the world of AI and machine learning, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what topic you want to learn next.